Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nabila and I cannot believe that we are getting so close to the end of the year already. I've done a sewable gifts video when I first started my channel and it was specifically for sewable gifts that don't include a zipper, because if I am volunteering my time to sew something for somebody, I personally do not want to be messing with a zipper. But today I want to make a video that's slightly different, and it's sewable gifts for anyone at different sewing levels. And I say that these are sewing projects for different sewing levels, but actually I think a confident beginner could do any of these projects. I think that if you're taking the time to sew someone a gift, it should just generally be something easy and not stressful. My philosophy when it comes to sewing someone a gift is that it should just be easy and a quick project to do. Also, for me personally, I am not gonna sew my friends any gifts, but I'm thinking about gift sewing myself several options from this list. So let's get right into the project ideas. So for a beginner, I'm gonna say scrunchie. I know that I talked about this in my last video, but you can go really artisanal with it and pick really interesting fabrics and make it really big and poofy and something that you would get at like a really fancy boutique. But since I said scrunchie last time, I also want to include a headband. I saw an influencer wearing this headband and I thought it was so cute, and I looked it up and the headband was $18. So I thought that I would instead thrift a t-shirt for $2 and make a headband out of that t-shirt fabric. So I am gonna do that at some point. I did go ahead and already thrift that shirt. I am not sure if I'm gonna post that as a short or a separate video, but yeah, if you're interested in that, look out for that video. Sometimes I think that if I am sewing someone a simple item, it's not valued the same way a store-bought item is, but I would actually argue that you taking the time to make a piece should be valued more. I don't know, I don't think that's a controversial take in the sewist community. I think that's pretty valid. But yeah, for a headband, you could even dress it up, and if you have a embroidery machine, you could even embroider your friend's initials on it. I think that'd be so cute. And yeah, this might be a simple project, but if this brand can charge $18 for this headband, then I think it's a pretty special headband, and it's gonna be even more special when I make it for myself. Okay, for the intermediate level, I think it'd be so cool to use your scraps to make a hot pad, like a functional piece of art to gift to someone. The reason why I'm putting this in the intermediate category is I think this would be really cool if you are someone with a lot of scraps, which if you're a beginner, you might not have the collection of scraps, but also you might, so maybe you should make this. I am gonna attempt this project this year. I have some leftover Insulbrite from when I made the big cooler bag for my wedding. That's a long story. You can check out my wedding video if you want to know more about that. But yeah, I have this leftover Insulbrite and I want to do something with it. And I also have been really interested in learning how to quilt. So I think this would be a great idea to try my hand at quilting and have a really functional item at the end. And I don't know, if they come out good, maybe I will gift them to some of my friends, but I know I definitely will make some for myself. Also in the intermediate category, I thought it would be a really cute idea if you have a friend that you know loves thrifting, if you made a little coupon for them that's like, one thrifting visit with me and I will do a thrift flip for you. I just think that'd be so cool, and it's like an experience you get to have together, and yeah, I just think that's like a fun idea and hopefully affordable depending on the thrift stores in your area. And hopefully your friend doesn't ask for a super crazy thrift flip. Maybe you should put some guidelines on that, but I just thought that'd be a really cute idea. And then for the advanced category, I have been really eyeing the Roberts Wood flower twist mini bag to make for myself. I think this would be such a beautiful bag. I haven't made this yet, but I am planning on it. I probably will post a video about this bag when I make it as well. So I'll let you know my thoughts when I make this bag. But this is such a beautiful piece. It's another piece of functional art, which I love. I did go ahead and watch the video of them constructing this bag to kind of get an idea of what it looked like to sew this bag up. And it actually did look pretty simple. I know that Roberts Wood is known for their very intricate patterns, and typically their projects take like days to make. This one, I think you could get done in an afternoon. And especially if you're batch sewing this, I could see someone getting really fast at it. I think, I mean, I haven't made this pattern yet, but I am pretty sure. Actually, when I was looking up this bag, I thought this would make a great bridesmaid gift as well. I know this is a Christmas and a holiday gift video, but just wanted to put that out there as an idea. Also for the advanced sewist, I thought it'd be a great idea if you wanted to make little coupons for one free alteration for them to redeem later in the year, so you don't have to stress about gift sewing. I know that us sewists hate doing alterations for people, so I think depending on the friend, it would be kind of fun and cheeky if you said it was a complaint-free alteration. But yeah, obviously only give that coupon out if you're actually down to do the alteration. Also, one of my favorite YouTubers, Lena Norms, just posted a video on Christmas gifts that I just watched today, and it was just so incredible. The way she worded everything is exactly how I've been thinking about gifts lately. I will link that video below if you're not already following Lena. But yeah, those aren't gifts that you can actually sew, but it's about gifts in general and the philosophy of gifting and how that relates to sustainability. So yeah, I just thought that was an awesome video, so I wanted to give it a little shout out. And that is all the ideas I have for you today. If you have any ideas you want to share in the comments, please let me know. And if you want more ideas, you can check out my previous video on sewable gifts. Those I think are also all beginner friendly as well. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!